Example 2 now. Cindy spent $125 on ingredients for muffins and $92.40 on ingredients for bagel. Write an expression to represent Cindy's profit for M muffins and B bagels. So what's going to happen here, you're looking at the sign, Cindy's Cafe. The muffins are $2.40 and the bagel is $1.80. So she spent this much money. So if you spend it, it's kind of like it's a loss, right? All right. And then she spent $92.40 for those bagels. She's going to earn money in a positive way for the muffins, right? So I'm going to rewrite what I just wrote there so that we can see what's going on. But for every muffin, it's $2.40 for every muffin she sells. But then she lost money on the muffins in the sense she didn't really lose it, but she used it to spend for those ingredients. She spent $125, right? This is not going to be positive until she sells enough muffins. And that's kind of what you'll be able to look at is like, how many muffins do I have to sell to cancel out this negative 125 expense for my ingredients? The problem is she's not just selling muffins. She's got the same situation with bagels. She's earning a positive amount of earnings for the bagels of 180 cents for every bagel. And you don't really need that zero. Most people are going to want to write it just to see it, kind of like this zero. You don't need it either. But it helps them realize, hey, that's my price for every bagel. And then there was an expense for those ingredients, $92.40. So I guess my final question is, are we going to leave it like this? Or is there any way we can simplify this expression? I've got muffins, and then I got bagels. Those are two different beasts, right? So I can't combine those. But I do have a negative 125 and a negative 92.40. So I can combine those two together. So I'm going to have 2.4 M plus 1.8 B, and then I'm going to have a minus at the end. So 125 minus 92.40 is going to be 217.40. I'm pretty sure I did that right, but that's taking the 125 and the 92.40, just adding those together. But when I add them together, I just make sure that I indicate it's a negative sign because it was a total amount that she spent on those ingredients. So she may be able to break even if she just sells a ton of bagels and absolutely zero muffins. Or maybe it's the other one, 0 muffins and a ton of bagels. But either way, when she's selling those, it's going to help her eliminate this expense she has just for the ingredients.